Today, this is Gerard from Aerospace Research. Continuing the ASAM build. Basically, the techniques I'm showing here works for any rocket with through-the-wall mount bolts. So now, we have completed the 4 bottom fin installations and gluing them in. Now we go for the top big ones. Now the method I'm going to show here is if you don't have an easy fin alignment guide. So first of all, check if your fins fit properly in your slots. A test fit is very, very important. So we can be sure they fit nicely. So out they come. But now, say you don't have an easy fin alignment guide to keep your fins nice and straight. This method will take a little longer, but works the very, very same principle. Keeps your fin straight while it dries. You will need some masking tape and a good eye. So we once again apply a generous amount of glue. The reason we apply it like this, or I apply it like this, is because you glue it on one side, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th side. So you stick it with this side to the motor mount tube, body tube, body tube, body tube, body tube. So 5 places where you glue your fin to the rocket. And once you apply a fin fillet, then it's 7 places. So now you've glued it in, it's nice and wobbly. So now you take masking tape, apply it about middle-wise over the fin edge. And get the fin as perpendicular as possible and tape it to the rocket body. One of the other methods I've seen people use is with this fin is they take a straight edge and clamp it together like this. Me trying to improvise. and align it with the back fin. So if your piece is too short, just take another piece. And tape it down. And leave it to dry. Do the same for the other 3 fins. Another method is to take a clothes peg and put it up there. Clubbing pegs, just make sure you don't glue it to your rocket. There we go. It's now pulled straight and we leave it to dry. Once it's dry, we remove the pegs and move on to the next one. But we can do the one on the upper side as well. The fin fillets I talk about is, it looks almost like the cornice on your house, near your ceilings that you put in there. But basically it helps reduce drag, helps keep your fin attached to your rocket, especially if you do surface mount. And we leave it to dry. So once this is dry, we do the same for the other 2 fins on the opposite sides. Thank you. This is Gerard Grobler for Aerospace Research, building the ASAM 68mm model rocket. Have a good day.